What's going on, guys? Matt here, and today's video is going to be real brief. I actually did a podcast on it today. You can check it out if you search the Service Industry Podcast. That's a super in-depth version of this video. But today we're talking about how landing pages and websites will make or break your Google AdWords. I'm going to go through 3 real quick steps of what you need to do in order to make sure that you have a high converting landing page or website, so that way when traffic from Google AdWords or any source comes to that page, it will convert at a much higher rate than a poor website. So number 1. All right, number 1 is this. First, you need to have your branding on point. Your logo's gotta be new, modern, good feeling, a solid business name, the vibe, the design of the page. It all has to flow and be one. You're looking for that professional feeling you get, that comfortable feeling that somebody's talking or about to reach out to a company that's been around for a long time, that isn't going anywhere, that has a lot of experience, and that can be trusted. Number 2 is simple. You need to make sure that you have your content in place and it's high quality content. For example, don't be using content that was all 100% shot off your phone. Now, I will say this, authentic content shot off a phone can sometimes be good, but it is not what you want to do to set the mood for the brand and the page. Before and afters, customer selfies, those kind of things are great to have authentic cell phone photo and video content. But for your main content on the page, so people can get a feel for who you are and what your business does, you want professional video, professional photos, something that stands out from your competition, and you're only going to get that by producing super high quality content. Last but not least, these are the things that you need to have on the page when people land there. When somebody searches for your service in your area and they click your link on Google, you need to have your page pop up, and there needs to be these things. They need to be able to know exactly what it is you do. If you're a carpet cleaner in Atlanta, Georgia, you need to be able to go to your page and those people instantly know that you guys specialize in carpet cleaning in your area. Not only that, you need to have a phone number and a contact form below or above the fold rather. That way, they don't even have to scroll on their phone, because the majority of searches are mobile. You do not want people scrolling through their phone trying to find a phone number, trying to find a way to contact you. You have to put it above the fold. So the 3 things are branding, content, and layout. Make sure you have those things in place, and if you do, it will make your landing pages and website convert at a much higher rate.